Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fold a Bakugan. So today's Bakugan is Drago. Give a close up. So look at yourself, Drago. You see the wings and hands. You also see his legs and tail. So let's start with the first. First, clip his hands into the back like this. Then go on by putting his legs like this. Here we go. I'll give you some. Okay. And put it in. So now you can hold one of the legs and put the head in. Now take the tail. Do like this, put it on top of the head. Now put the end of the tail edge right down here. And now put the wing like this, straight, that the part over here will just go straight into this part. Now take this part, take this part and put it down here. Well, now you got a ball, Bakugan. Here we go. Wow, yay for us. Okay, so this is the time we have for today. Goodbye, and watch more videos about doing fold Bakugan.